You guys are lucky today because I swear I'm losing my voice. I've been doing too much hood rat shit with my friends. You know what I'm saying? Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and we're back for another real-time unboxing and review video. Now what I've got to open up with you guys today is actually a reissue from 1999, and this is a pair of the Air Jordan 14s in that light ginger colorway. Now if you do go ahead and watch this video and think, do you know what, these are a bit of me, I want to go ahead and pick these up, they are sitting readily available on the sneakers app from I think a size 3 up to a 17, so everybody should be blessed. 14s don't really do well in UK, they're not a hyped kick, but I'm here to change that today because I think 14s are hard. So let's go ahead and open these joints up. As you guys know then, this is a real-time review. I got the box here fresh straight from Nike. I don't know why they sent it in this ridiculously massive box, but hey yo, we're about to go ahead and pull this pull tab and get into these kicks. I don't know what to expect from a box because I've only got one other pair of 14s and they were the Aleli Mays, so I think they were special. I don't know if I'm just going to get a generic box in this. Yeah, knew it. Called it. Here we've got the box in, all black. We've got this gold Jumpman on the front. Apart from that, the box is really quite bare. We've got the sizing on the front, and as always, I went ahead and grabbed myself a size 5. I never open it like so you guys can open it with me. Maybe we'll do that today. Because to be fair, I know the tissue paper is going to be dead, so like let's hype it up for a minute like it's going to be gas. Okay, actually they did swap up the tissue. They did swap up the tissue paper. Alright, cool. Resume gasness. Don't know why they bother to switch up things if I'm honest, because the kicks are essentially yellow. But hey yo, they switched up the tissue paper. We've got this black tissue paper. Love. Let's get into it. I don't know if I like these. I just gassed up 14s. Wait, let me get them out. Well, they feel nice though. They do look a bit big. I don't know. I thought I was going to be more gassed, but the colour is coming out more mustardy. I was expecting a little bit more of a zing. A bit more yellow if I'm honest. Let's jump into some details then and start with this upper. Now they're calling this a light ginger. I would definitely kind of put it in the mustard category if I'm honest. Put this in a jar of mustard next to each other. It's gonna be the same. I believe this upper is nubuck. It feels super soft. Like I can't lie, yeah. It's kind of top notch. It goes into this toe box with this white leather. Leather on it is premium. Honestly, it's a touch. We do have that little Jumpman in the black stitching on there on the toe box also. We then have this black and white midsole, but the white in it, you can't see it on the pictures and I haven't seen anyone else note it. It's kind of got a shimmer to it, like it's kind of glittery. I don't know what they painted this or glossed this over in, but it's kind of got, you can see specks in it, like specks of glitter. So I don't know if that girlies it up. I don't know if that's going to put some of the mandem off, but it's not super in your face, but it is a nice little touch to add in there. As always, we do have the little badge up here also with the Jumpman. We've got kind of a few pieces of Jumpman branding on here. It's also in the laces where we do have the Jordan there in that orangey mustard colour, where we do always find, as always, the numerals on the back. Since we're up here, we can go ahead and go inside. It just has this black sock liner with a white Jumpman in there. There's really nothing going on the inside. When it comes to laces, we don't have any spare laces. We just have these black joints. The tips of the laces are in this silver. And then you can kind of just see on there, there's a little engraved Jumpman. If you then finally want to go to the back of the heel of the kick, again, more branding. We've got a Jumpman 23, obviously MJ's number. And it's kind of a wham back. Some people don't really like that huge back for the 14s, but I'm kind of indifferent to it. I'm here for it. It is what it is. There's also a nice bit back here that is kind of canvassy, kind of like where you would think a pull tab to be. They've just kind of switched up the material. There's not really anything else on this shoe that is that material apart from here at the back. Then come to the sole then, which is a generic 14 sole. I'm going to show it up anyway because I feel like a lot of people don't have 14s in their collection. So this is what it looks like. We've got that Jumpman in the middle. We kind of got some ridges over here. I feel like this would be a dope basketball shoe personally. Like I feel like rocking these, I feel like your performance would be good. That's all I'm saying. We then have a little bit of that mustard here at the top with that XIV, which stands for 14. Another small detail that we also do have on 14s is that when you can see in here, there is like a little bit of meshing, and you can kind of see it when you look inside too. Just for breathability. Like I said, this is like, it is a sportsman shoe. It's not sports. I know like Jordan is more like a lifestyle. Like you're not necessarily gonna go hoop in these. But I feel like a lot of Jordans, you actually were like, why would I hoop in a Jordan 4? Do you know what I'm saying? But with these, I feel like you could probably hoop in these. Apparently in the forefoot and heel, there is also some Zoom Air tech inside of these. So I'm guessing that they're gonna be cushioned, bouncy, nice. Again, perfect for balling. I've only got slipper socks on. Do you think that would be alright? Oh, let's go for it. Why not? Why the fuck not? Do you know what I'm saying? That's my motto. Put that on a shirt. Why the fuck not? If you want to talk sizing, then I would definitely recommend staying true to size if you do want to go ahead and pick these up. They fit really nice, super comfy, and I have to say, 100% better on feet than in hand. So we've been through all the good stuff, so it's just time for my initial first thoughts roundup. It's a nice looking shoe. I kind of get that it's not going to be for everyone. QC is not amazing, but it's not complete trash also. I feel like they're not going to put a lot of effort into 14s because just people aren't gassed for them. Like they are going to sit for a long time, unfortunately. I feel like I actually might keep them more and more by the second they grow on me, especially on feet. So for that reason, because they're a grower, not a shower, I feel like respectfully, I just got to sit them at a 7. Alright then guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I'm going through that quick little rundown with me of the Air Jordan 14 Light Ginger. As always, be sure to leave your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know what you're saying, what you're thinking, because like I said, these might be a bit of a Marmite crepe, or let's call it a mustard crepe. That's more suitable, innit? So yeah, let me know what you're thinking. As always, you know you're welcome to come find me on the other socials. Just type in @ShayCrate and you're most likely to find me. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe because we are on that road to 1K and we're getting closer. Every day we're getting a little bit closer. So go ahead and smash that button. That way you know what's coming out, what's worth paying resale for, and all of that good stuff. So until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. I did it. I finished the video. It's fresh straight from Nike. It's a tongue twister. I don't know why no one wanted these though. That these are OG. To be fair, yeah, a lot of people don't like the OG stuff. Like MJ actually wore this on his foot. Do you know what I'm saying? Well, not this one exactly. I'd be gassed if MJ got his foot in a size 5, innit? But yeah, man, people sleep on too much. That breaks up the real sneakerheads from the hype beast. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why 14s always remind me of like Ferraris. I don't know if it's because they got the little badge like here, but I always feel like I'm wearing Ferraris on my feet. I just have too many emotions and I don't know which one. I don't know which one's right. Okay, I don't know. On foot though, I feel like they might kind of be cold a little bit. That's my own. That's the saving grace. I feel like on shelf, me. On foot, buff. Do you know what I'm saying? Hey Siri.
Yes.
What's XIV in Roman numerals? Because I think it's 14.
What I found from americahostel.com.
It is 14. I knew it because it makes sense. Because Siri. Oh my days. Siri. Okay, she's shut up now. Fucking cry. You know, like in the movie where you see the girl them and she ain't that fit, and then in the end of the video, it's like, rah, she was fit all along. 14s, bruv. 14s.